This is how to add an ERC20 token to the CoinBase wallet. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Start building passive income skills. Click the link down below. Open up the CoinBase app. Go to the token icon right here or your wallets on the bottom right hand screen. Simply put, if you want to add an ERC20 token, a couple different ways you can do so. You can click on settings on the top right hand screen. Now, if you were to scroll down underneath the networks, you want to make sure that this is checked. See Ethereum. As you can see, the Ethereum network is here. Now we're going to add an ERC20 token. You can click the browser icon next to home right here in the bottom hand screen. Click on Uniswap. You can even swap token of your choice. Make sure you're on the Ethereum network like so. Do an ERC20 token. If you click on this magnifying glass, you can search for an ERC20 token of your choice. Now, as you can see, in order to add this ERC20 token, you can see there's a list of different ERC20 tokens like so. You can click on one. In order to add this, you can even buy or sell. Or if you click the home icon here in the bottom hand screen, if you would like to add this on your watch list, go to see all. You can click on here, watch more assets. And let's say you want to click the search icon like so. If you want to type in an ERC20 token, want to add one, type in Pepe coin. You can see Pepe coin right here. Click watch. This is a free ERC20 token, completely for free.